But nowadays, it's really important for everyone to learn spoken English because that gives you more power, that gives you more confidence, isn't it? Not new. Okay, from last October, I had started uploading the videos, but I had just taken 3 months gap because of my ill health and all. Right now, so right now I'm back on track. I'm just trying to have more conversation with people like you.
If I talk about my teaching career, so I have been teaching for 8 years, but
For eight
recently,
years.
not recent, 1 year ago, I shifted Noida from Ghaziabad. So I
Okay.
started it 6 months.
Hmm. Okay, not an issue. So, how do you manage your time? As you just told me that you are having two children and you are a mother as well. So, how lots of household work, okay, for the woman, right? So, how do you manage your time?
I manage because I just teach only 2 hours for the
Hmm.
only teach on 2 hours. So it is
Hmm.
sufficient for me to conduct the classes, and at the same time I also teach my own children also. So if I am teaching
Hmm.
my own children and I am giving the classes for all other students also, they can come here and take class from me. So this is manageable. I teach
Hmm.
both of them, and
Hmm.
yes, and I feel like that I am imparting my knowledge, so as well as I am gaining knowledge also. I'm great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also great. And as we're meeting for the first time, and I would like to know more about you.
Um, I am Kalpana from Noida Extension.
Hmm.
I talk about my academic credential. I have done MA, BEd, and qualified CTET, UPTET. I am working as a tutor. Moreover, I am mother of two children. If I talk about
Okay.
my core of interest, I love teaching, dancing, traveling, and interacting with people in English language.
Hmm.
I am very passionate about English. So, for the practicing, I have created my own channel on YouTube channel where I upload my conversations video. That's all about me.
Yeah, as you told me that you are a teacher, so I would like to know what kind of subjects do you teach?
I teach in my academy, and students come at my home. So I
Hmm.
provide all the subject. I conduct for grade 3 to 8 class.
Okay, so you teach all kinds of subjects. So
Yes.
it's a really good thing, and you are trying to update your communication skills in English. That's also good. So you teach English as well.
No.
Okay,
I
so
teach English as
yeah.
subject, not language.
Okay, okay, okay. So all the grammar and all you teach to students.
Hmm.
Okay,
Because
yeah,
I
not
teach
an issue.
students and they don't need to learn language.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, I know. Whatever is the syllabus, okay, that is only required. Okay, and spoken English is something different. Okay, which is okay outside the syllabus. Okay, it's not required. But nowadays, it's really important for everyone to learn spoken English because that gives you more power, that gives you more confidence, isn't it? So, as you would like to know about me, I would like to introduce myself.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm
Yeah.
waiting for
So,
that.
I,
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm working as a security guard. Right now, I am on my leave. Okay, I've just come to my village, and as I was suffering from the problem called tinnitus, where a continuous buzzing sound, okay, happens okay in your ear. So it's really annoying and irritating. So right now, I think from last 2 months, I was suffering, and that's why I'm just wearing the cap. I just protect my ears, okay, from the loud sound and the continuous cold airflow and all, right? So right now I'm just quite okay. So that's why I'm using my earphones and all. So earlier I was not able to use the earphones because doctors had advised me to stay away from all the earphones and loud sounds and all. So I stopped recording. So nowadays I've just started again recording the videos and all. I'm a new YouTuber, not new. Okay, from last October I had started uploading the videos, but I had just taken 3 months gap because of my ill health and all. Right now, so right now I'm back on track. I'm just trying to have more conversation with people like you. And I'm born in Karnataka and brought up in Maharashtra. So I'm working as security guard in Maharashtra, nearby Mumbai. That's my small introduction.
It's great to hear. So
Mhm.
from where did you get your problems, like your sickness related to the ear? What happened?
Yeah, when I had some important work in my village. Okay, I had just come to my village, and it was during winter season. And when I was riding my bike, because of the continuous cold airflow in early in the morning, around 6 o'clock or something. Okay, it happened. I don't know the actual reason. Okay, there might be some other health issues also, but it happened. Okay, in my village, and that's why I stayed here only. Okay, so yeah, within a few days or something, I will again join my job.
Hmm, very terrible. Like if the person having any problem and they are going with suffering, they are going with any kind of problem, so they feel like that, no, it is not the tolerable.
Yes,
Because
yes,
sometimes
definitely.
I also feel the itching in my ear also. That time I feel
Mhm.
like that I just scratches my ear. That time I also feel that.
Yeah, because it happened for the first time, okay, in my life, and even I was also not aware that such kind of thing exists. Okay, so sometimes a small thing happens, two kind of thing happen, and it just disappears. But this sound was continuously just buzzing, 24/7. It doesn't allow you to sleep. It completely irritating and annoying, right? You are not able to concentrate on even a small thing, right? Because continuous sound in one of your ear or two both ears. Okay, it's really disturbing. So you are not able to concentrate on anything. You are not able to talk with people. Even if you try to sleep, you are not able to sleep. Okay, so that kind of thing it disturbs your entire life. Okay, so right now, okay, slowly it reduced, and right now I'm just back on track. I must say.
Mm. It's good. Like you are living like normal life. Like you are feeling better.
Yeah, right now I'm better. Absolutely okay. 10% here and there. Otherwise, I have recovered more than 90%. Yeah, it's all because of God's grace. Okay, for the early recovery and all.
Mm. So I will pray to God. Like, He will grant you.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Thanks for all your what I can say blessings and all. Okay, yeah, definitely pray to God. And yeah, I would like to know that okay, you're teaching in an academy. So is it a private academy?
Yes, it's private academy. I established this academy at my home only.
Okay, so you have started your own institution. It's a good thing. Since when are you just teaching to students?
Um, if I talk about my teaching career, so I have been teaching for 8 years, but
For eight
recently,
years.
not recent, 1 year ago, I shifted Noida from Ghaziabad. So I
Okay.
started it 6 months.
Hmm. Okay, not an issue. So how do you manage your time? As you just told me that you are having two children and you are a mother as well. So how lots of household work, okay, for the woman, right? So how do you manage your time?
I managed because I just teach only 2 hours for the
Hmm.
only teach only 2 hours. So it is
Hmm.
sufficient for me conduct the classes and at the same time I also teach my own children also. So if I am teaching
Hmm.
my own children and I am giving the classes for all other students also, they can come here and take class from me. So this is manageable. I teach
Hmm.
both of them, and
Hmm.
yes, and I feel like that I am imparting my knowledge, so as well as I am gaining knowledge also.
Oh wow, that's good. It's give and take, okay, from both the sides. Yeah, it's a good thing. So what's your purpose behind learning this language? Why do you want to learn this language?
It is a good questions. Like you know very well, the English language is a global language, and most of the people wants to learn this language. They want to achieve their achievement in their life, and they want to grow in their life. So for the growing, and yes, so and I am working as tutor, so I want to enhance my communication skills, so that get it will be great for my institutions. And when I
Hmm.
communicate properly in English language, so parents will come and they will send their children to get the education from me. So this is my my opinion that if I am able to speak out in English language, so it will be beneficial for me and as well as my institution also, and my institution will grow.
Yes, definitely. English is power. It gives you more confidence. Okay, and it gives you respect. Right, the parents will respect you a lot because
I
yeah,
also
they will think
believe
that.
that,
Yeah,
I also
continue.
believe that English is the earning thing. If you have the command over the English language, so you can achieve and you can earn money very easily.